Welcome to my channel, guys. My name is Cristal Garcia and I'm a real estate broker in New Mexico, and today I'm going to take you with me on a full day of real estate, which will contain footage of an open house at my listing 2879 Cruces Court. What it's all about, the whole setup. It started last night actually. I had to blow up all the balloons, get everything ready, the signs, and here we go. We're gonna go to the grocery store, get some food for the open house. Let's go. Looking for an assortment of fruit so I don't have to cut it myself. I think this is gonna do. Let's go! Time to set up the signs. Last one. So I just relocated the lock box because, as you saw on the other side, the neighbor dogs were kind of scary, and I don't want other brokers to get scared. So this side is better. Think about that. Okay, so I finally got everything inside the house. I didn't show you guys everything because it's kind of hard to be carrying all the stuff. Anyway, we're gonna sit up. First things first, turn on all the lights and make it really nice and comfy temperature wise. So if it's too cold outside, make it warm. If it's too warm outside, make it cold. I think that's common sense, but maybe sometimes just need a friendly reminder. Let's check the kitchen. There's light in here. Almost want to have this closed, or do we want to have it open? Let's see. So that it looks bigger. Yeah, I think open. Another great tip if you are new to real estate, I want to make sure that it smells good in here, so that when people come in, they're like, oh, it smells so good, it feels so good, temperature's good, it's so bright in here, I love it, I'm gonna buy it. We have candles here that we turn on. My customer is really good at having her house very clean, and it's clean, it smells great. Sometimes they don't, and that's okay, so you kind of have to work a little extra. For me, this time I was lucky. She's awesome. She has pretty much everything ready. I just have to set up her open house and get this thing sold. Okay, so right now I'm just setting up some fruit cups. It's hot. It's summer here in southern New Mexico. Just need to eat something cool, you know, something that's not so hot. I also got some sandwiches, some subs, and I brought some mayo and mustard because nobody likes a dry ass Subway. There you go, you're welcome. Okay, so now we're all set up. I'll show you what my setup is. I added this little centerpiece. Obviously all of our things are over here out of the way. And what I have is here is just some small charcuterie, some subs, and some fruit like I was showing you here earlier. And then I have obviously my sign-in book. I actually have this sign-in book that I take. This is a new one because my old one fell apart. And I've had some people already here, but they filled this out. So I didn't have them sign in, but just a sign-in book to have everything on one. Really nice. Some flyers. I had a lender here, Marco. He left a little early. He had to leave. But we did a cute little video, and I'll put it in here now. Hey guys, Cristal here, your realtor with Exit Realty Horizons in Las Cruces, and today I'm here with...
Hey, Marco Milton with Price Mortgage, also in Las Cruces.
Yeah, and we are here at 2879 Carretas Court, open house till 2 p.m.
We want you to come. We want you to come tour the house, give us some feedback. And if you have any questions about financing, I'm also here to help answer those. And if you also want to see other houses, Cristal's also here to show you what other houses are listed.
Yeah, we're your team. Come on by, come meet us, come see the house, fall in love with it, make an offer, and get into a new home.
We'll see you soon.
Got some coffee, got some giveaways. I make these because no good adventure ever started with salad. And then in the back is my name and number. Gift cards, some goodie bags, some wine, some jam. This one's really cute. Real estate is my jam. Business cards. I have seller guides just in case somebody who is wanting to sell their house to buy this one. I give them this. Some waters and my iPad, obviously, so that I can show people other homes if they're interested in something else, or just be able to pull up some information that they're wanting to see or anything like that. You also want to try and find some chill music to play so it's not so quiet, because you don't want your people to come in and feel awkward. You want to have some noise, you know, some cool like imagery, music, feel good. This is the house for them. Show them the best of this house: sound, lighting, air conditioning, space, all that. Highlight all features. And now it's just the waiting game. You guys saw that I put the signs out. I also emailed my entire database. They're invited to the open house here. I also posted this on social media. I posted the open house on all major real estate platforms like Zillow, Realtor, Trulia, our MLS. And I also posted it on Google Events in case people are looking on Google. They can find it. I also notify the neighbors via door knock to let them know that there's an open house. A neighbor is selling their house in case they want to sell their house or downsize or upsize. I actually did have a lady show up this morning. She lives around the neighborhood here, who I spoke with yesterday. She came and she's interested in downsizing. So she's going to talk to her brother. He's going to come by Tuesday. We're going to talk and see what happens. You can also do advertisement online to list your open house. And you can do a lot of things. So if you have any other ideas for me or for somebody else that's watching this video, go ahead and put them in the comments below. That way we can help each other as realtors do our job a bit more better. A bit better? More better? Better. And now it's time to do a little bit of work. Eat a sandwich because now I'm getting hungry. And make this time count. And the open house has come to an end. It is 2 p.m. I've been here since 9. That was a 5-hour open house. So I'm packing everything back into my little tote, cleaning everything. Quick little tip for realtors out there: if you used or if you didn't use the kitchen trash, take it out anyway. Leave your customers with a clean trash can to come home to. In case they are out of town, like some of my customers are, they don't come back to a stinky kitchen because you were not considerate enough. Take out their trash, their kitchen trash. Dishes, if you used any, wash them, dry them, put them away. Leave everything as you found it. The air conditioning, I turned it down because it was pretty hot, so I wanted it to be more comfortable for people, but I'm going to set it back to what she left it at. I'm going to turn everything off, lock everything, put everything back to how it was when I showed up. That way it doesn't feel out of place, and it's good when they get back. That is it for today. Well, I still have to go pick up the signs at the street, and I got a little fruit cup left over, so I'm gonna eat it. Now I get to go show some houses to a buyer that's coming from out of town. The real estate life continues. It was a little bit difficult for me to record this as I was kind of setting up and doing all this stuff without assistance, so I do apologize if it's kind of chopped up, but I just wanted to give you guys a little taste of a little bit of what it takes, because you guys didn't see also the marketing that goes behind an open house. And if you want to see more content like this, give me a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below. That's all I got for you guys. All right, bye. Thanks for watching.